Anyone? Joel? Harrison is not there. Harry.
I'm there, ma'am.
Yeah, Harry, explain.
Ma'am, in last class we learned about sensors, ma'am.
Okay, that's it.
Ma'am, types of sensors, ma'am. How to do programming.
Okay, that's it.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so today we are going to do programming. Okay, like a bit programming. But before that, we have to learn something related to that programming only. Okay, so I'll show you now. You have learned about microbit, right? What is microbit? What are the blocks are in that, and everything about microbit. So we are going to continue that one only. Okay. So here we are going to do a dice programming first. Till now, have you done any programming in microbit?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I did, ma'am.
Which programming? Tell me the names. Tell me the names of programs.
Ma'am, I'm Samanvi. I made the Lego Mindstorm CV3
Not
program.
someone once. Not you made. I'm asking how many programs we did in our class. Which names? That is extra, right? You are doing extra work.
Ma'am, microbit.
Tarun?
Yes, ma'am. We used
Yes.
microbit and did some. You showed something in first class that you showed.
Okay. I only showed, right? Some program normals, right?
Yes, ma'am. You told
That's it.
about flashlight.
Yes, yes. Okay. So now we are going to do a programming that is a dice programming. Okay. Once you see just and then I'll ask you some questions and you have to answer. Okay. Okay. So dice in dice, how many numbers are there? Right? Like range
6.
6, ma'am.
1 to 6, right? That is a range from
Yes,
one
ma'am.
we have till 6 numbers. Okay. So we are going to do that programming. Take on start. Okay. And show number. Okay. We are showing a number, right? You are understanding or not? If not, just like you can ask me. We are showing a number, so we will take show number 0, but we want a range from 1 to 6. Okay, and that too we want random numbers, not like continuous number. If you'll do continuous number, then it will be like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We want random numbers. When we are playing like Ludo or something, we will get random numbers on dice, right? So
Yes,
here
ma'am.
random numbers, not continuous number. That is range is 1 to 6. From 1 to 6 we want random numbers. So we will go to math block. In math block you have this block. Pick random 0 to 10. This is a range, right? 0 to 10 is a range. So here we will fix in this. And that instead of 1 you write 1, 0 instead of 10 you write 6. Okay? So
Okay,
now
ma'am.
that is a 6. Okay? Now, what is the problem in this program? Can anyone tell me?
Now it comes randomly, but we can't understand that in that sometime.
What?
Again, we delete and again we
Yes, yes. It's not coming like if you do again off, if you on, then only it will give you the second
Yes.
number.
Ma'am, we
So
can use
now we
forever
want,
also, ma'am.
okay, I'll use forever. If you are telling Tarun, I'll use forever, then we will see what happens. Show number. See. Now on.
Now it's coming
Now
fast.
what's happening? Continuously it's giving you a random number. This is not waiting for you to 2 second or 1 second. Continuously it's giving. But if you are playing Ludo or something, you have to wait for some time, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Not like that, it will come continuously. You have to take that dice and you have to throw that, only the second number will come, right?
Yes, ma'am.
What we will use on shake button, or you can use on button A pressed also. Okay. Use on shake button. Now see. If you shake only, then only second number will come. And that is okay now. If you will shake, if you click on shake button, random number will come. Okay?
But also we have to shake.
What? What, Tarun?
But also we have to shake it.
You have to just click on shake button.
Yes, ma'am.
Your chip will be on. Okay? You have to just click on shake button. That's it. And the number will come, random number. Okay?
Okay.
Here also some mistake is there. Just tell me the mistake. Anyone? That is a like silly mistake.
Ma'am,
Anyone?
we kept on shake, but as here we have
Programming.
shake, logo up, logo down, screen up. So in this way, we can also keep while shaked and all. We can use an option which helps us without clicking the shake button. We should do it.
See, the wrong is not in a programming. Something is like, see, okay, I'll tell. In dice, have you ever seen 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6
No, ma'am. Dots.
dots? So what we are doing here, we are keeping numbers. We should keep dots now. We should keep dots or we should keep numbers.
Dots, ma'am.
Dots, ma'am.
For dot, you have to do programming today. Okay. Okay. For that, we are going to learn 2 topics of Java language. Okay. That is, one is array and second one is function. Okay. What? Array and function. Okay. So first we will learn those 2 points. What is array and what is function? Then we will come to our program. Okay.
Okay.
So I'm going to show you one. Okay. So what is array? See, array is a collection of similar types of data. If you are keeping numbers, you should keep only numbers. If you are keeping letters, you should keep only letters. You should not mix between, like numbers and letters you can't keep together. See, in one array you can keep numbers or either letters. Okay. So array is a collection of similar type of data. Data means what? Anyone?
Some storage.
Storage, memory, something. Okay. Your program, so anything. Okay. An array is a collection of items stored at memory location. Collection of items. Items is nothing but data. Collection of data stored at memory location. Memory location means some memory location is there. There you have to store your data. Okay. That is a collection. If you see, if you will store 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, it will take more place, right? But if you'll pack all those 6 words, 6 letter in one box, and then you will keep, that will take less space, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So array is a collection of items stored at memory location. We will collect those letters in together, and then we will locate that full box in memory location. Okay. They are used to store similar type of data or elements. Same thing, right? We are using array to store a data. Okay. See, this is called array. These box are you are seeing now. This is first array. Okay. 80, 60, 70, 85, 75. These are similar type of data, right? Numbers only. What is this? Numbers only, right? Alphabets are not there. And like these are similar type. 80, 60, 70, 85, 75. Numbers only. And this is you will be confused, like your marks 0 is there. This is a position of array. Like if you are standing in row, what we will call on first number he is there, on second number she is there, right? So this is also a position. 80 is position of marks 0. Okay. 60's position is marks 1. 70 position is marks 2. 85 position is marks 3. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
This is the position of this numbers. So you can find it easily. See, if you will store something in your laptop file folder is there, right? If you locate something is there, what you'll do, you will create folders by names, right? So that will, this will be easy to find your data. When you are going to find, you just search it and you will go to your data, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Same thing is there. If I want to 70, no need to go from here. What you will do, you have to just this position you should know. The position you should remember, and you will just click on marks 2. You will get your 70, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So this is a array. Okay. Now function. What is a function? Function is nothing but task that you are going to perform on your programming. See, if you are doing anything, you are studying, you are anything you are doing, you have some task, right? That this I have to complete today, and this I'll complete tomorrow. Something task is there, right? Without task, you can't do anything.
Yes.
So function is nothing but a task. What you are going to perform on particular your program, or whatever you are doing on particular that the task is function. Okay. In simple language, function is task. Okay. We have two types of function. See, library function and user defined function. We have two types of function: library function and user defined function. In library function, you will get like already they have given some functions to you. You have to just perform them. Okay. See, you can take example of like, see, Maggie is there. What you are doing? Maggie is already there, library function. Like it's already prepared. You have to just keep it on 2 minutes, 2 or 3 minutes, and it will be ready. User defined function means you have to make that one and then you have to work on that one. Okay. In library function, you have to just work on them, and in user defined function, you have to make one function and then you have to work on that function. Understood? Any doubts still here?
No, ma'am.
Anyone? Anyone? If you have any doubt, you can ask.
No doubts, ma'am.
Okay. So function you have understood. Function is nothing but task, and we have two types of function: library function and user defined function. Library function means you have to just work on that. Function is already built it. Okay. Function is already built it, and just you have to take them and you have to do work on them. In user defined function, you have to make one function and then you have to work on that function. Okay. So we will move to our program now. Okay. So here you can see these. You are seeing now this already built it, right? What you are doing? You are just taking and you are performing on that one. Now you have to make functions. User defined function. User defined means user defined. You can understand. Na? User means you. Defining means making. You are making one function and you are working on that one. Okay. So we will start our program today. If you have any doubt, you can ask me now. Till now. If you have any doubt. No?
No, ma'am.
Yes, okay. So these are these functions. See, I'll show you from starting. See, advanced block you can see. Click on
Yes, ma'am.
advanced. Now, functions you can see. Okay. We'll go to function, and here in functions you will not get library function. These are library function. Those are here. Here you have to make your function. That is user defined function. Okay. We will make one function. See, when you are going to do a DICE programming, you have two tasks. You have to first set the values and then you have to get the values. Okay. When
Yes,
you are
ma'am.
throwing a dice, what you are doing? First you are throwing a dice, then you are getting numbers, right?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
here you have to set the values and then you have to get the values. For this two tasks, we will make two functions. Okay. The first one is set dice pattern. Understood? We will set the patterns of dice. In the second one, that is roll dice. Roll dice is nothing but throw a dice. In that, we will throw a dice and then we'll get the random number. Understood? We are going to make two functions. The first one is set dice pattern and the second one is roll dice. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
So we'll make first set dice patterns. Okay? You have to click on done and it will be visible on your screen. See, you have to set dice function. How many values you have? How many values you have to keep in this function? When you are setting the pattern of dice, how many values you have to keep? Anyone?
Don't know, ma'am.
When I'm throwing a dice, how many chances are there to, like, how many numbers can come?
6, ma'am.
The same thing, na? When you are throwing the dice, 6 numbers can come. Here also, when you are setting the dice pattern, you have to give first 6 number, right? Then only you can expect the 6 number. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
If you will give 7 number, you can expect 7 number. If you will give 6 number, you can expect 6 numbers. Here you have to give 6 numbers, okay? Understanding or not? Joel? Joel? Are you sleeping or
Ma'am, Joel is there, ma'am.
why he is not talking?
Don't know, ma'am.
Joel?
Ma'am, last class I observed who are joined through Firefox, they are not able to unmute, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Some problem is coming, ma'am. For
Why
some
you
of them.
getting Firefox? Use Chrome now.
We are
Ma'am, in
using
Chrome also, for me also it came, ma'am. Shortcut I use this Control plus D. If I use means it came, ma'am.
Control plus D, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Then
It's
in
shown on
message, then in
microphone.
message block, in chat block is there, na?
Yes,
Keep
ma'am.
one message. If you want to unmute yourself, press Control plus D.
Okay,
Anyone?
ma'am.
Okay, Samanvi,
Yes, ma'am.
how many numbers we should give in one first function? Set dice pattern.
We have to keep any 6 numbers, ma'am, because because in a dice there are 6 numbers.
You can keep any 6 number. You said any 6 number.
No, ma'am, 1 to 6 numbers.
Yes. So what we will use, we are going to use array for that. You can't store 6 values at one place, right? So what we will do, we will keep 6 values in a box and then we'll keep in a function. Understood? So we are going to take array, that is set list to array of how many? How many we want?
6, ma'am.
Take 6 numbers, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Now the problem is, see here number 0, 1, 0, 0, 0. But what we want 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? And we want in dot pattern, not in number pattern, right? For dot only we are doing this much programming, right?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
go to images, take this create image. Okay? And here you can draw your dots. Keep in first one, go down, take a duplicate of this one, keep here and do second. Okay, same thing you have to repeat 6 times. Duplicate, keep here, third, go down, duplicate,
Ma'am, we can keep dots anywhere in the image, ma'am.
yes, anywhere you can
Okay,
keep.
ma'am.
Like how you want on your screen to visible, you can keep your wish.
Okay, ma'am.
Now 6, okay, and it's done. See, if your programming is giving you a gray color, that is not like it's not working. See, you can see this block is disabled and will not run. Okay, so you have to attach this block to function.
Yes, ma'am.
Function, huh? Function set dice pattern. Now we have given 6 values.
Yes, ma'am.
Now what you have to do? You have to roll a dice, right? We are
Yes,
going
ma'am.
to task setting the values and getting the values. So we will create one more function, that is roll dice. Okay, roll dice. Now tell me in roll dice what we should do. We have set it the functions, and in to get the values on the screen, what we should do. We need to get the values, right? These only values. What we will do, we will go to array. Now we have to get the value. List get value. This block we will take. And here in normal programming, what we have done, on shake, show number, pick random 1 to 6. This pick random we will take here and we'll keep here. Now it will give you these from these C6 images random values. And
Okay,
this
ma'am.
you have to keep what we are using here. We are not using number. What we are using image, right? Go to image, show image. Keep on this instead of my image and my image trash. Now what is your program? See. Shit. Just give me 1 second. Now see your program. Show image of list. This bracket means off. Okay. Show image of list. Get value at pick random 1 to 6 at offset. Okay. Now we will keep this one in second one. Done. Till here, any doubt? You can ask. Till here, any doubt? No. Okay, I'll move. Now what we will do, see, if you want to run your program, or we'll take example of your mobile phone. If you want to on your mobile phone, what you'll do? First you will on from side button. Then you will give password, right? After that, your mobile phone will on if you are keeping password, okay? So in this also same one, what you will do? First you will on that chip, then you will start your program. Okay? So which block we should use? Can you suggest me? Which block we should use? No one. The same thing, na? First we will on the chip. How we can on with which block we can on the chip?
On start, ma'am.
On start.
Very good. On start.
On start.
And the second one?
Show number, ma'am.
Show number, no. I'm asking block. This on start, on shake, on button A pressed like this. On shake.
Oh.
Okay. Now here your chip will on, and from here you will get the numbers. If you click on shake button, you'll get the numbers, random numbers. So in on start, what we should keep inside the on start? Inside the on start, we have to keep this goal function. If you're on the chip, directly it will set the values first, and it will be ready to give you values. Okay. So go to function. Again, see, you'll get these two functions here. Call set dice pattern, which we have created, and call roll dice. This also we have created. Okay. And in on check, what you should keep now? You have to tell me now. In on check, what you should keep? Which function you should keep? First one or second one? Which function we should keep in on shake? The first one, call set dice pattern, or call roll dice? Call means nothing but we are calling one function. We are calling one function to perform on our program.
Call roll dice, ma'am.
Very good. Name? Sudeep.
Harry, ma'am.
We will keep call roll dice because we want to throw a dice down. Okay. Go to function, take call roll dice. Keep. That's it. Your program is done. I'll show you now. See, 2, 5. Got? Got? Everyone.
Ma'am.
The same thing we will see.
Yes, ma'am.
The same thing we will see in Java. Okay. Move to JavaScript. See, this is very easy way to learn Java for you. We will know we didn't get the chance to learn like this. This is very easy. You should do your programming blog and then move to Java and then you can see. See,
Yes, ma'am.
whatever function we have created first set dice pattern. The same thing they have written here. First function is set dice
Set dice
pattern.
pattern.
Flower was means here you are starting your program now. Okay, this is a
Yes,
flower
ma'am.
was. This is a starting of program. So what is the list of our setting values? The first one
Image
is
create image, ma'am.
hashtag means dots where we are keeping the dots now in image, that is a number. First one what we did first. Then
Second.
image dot create image. Second, third, the same thing. 4, 5, 6. Okay. Now, what is this? This is a second function. Function roll dice. Okay. And this is a on start. Shaking. On shake we did now. On shake call roll dice. We did this one now.
Yes, ma'am.
This one. On shake call roll dice. This is this one.
Ma'am,
Yes.
for me, array of is not fitting to function set dice pattern, ma'am.
This is an array only. Setting, you are setting a list. Array is nothing but a combination of values, right? This is array only. Setting a list. Here in JavaScript, you will not write array. You will not write array. Array means list. List they have written na here. List they have written, right? Yes.
It is showing very less things, ma'am.
What?
Can I show my screen, ma'am? I'm not able to understand.
Which screen I should show? Block one and JavaScript one.
No, ma'am. Can I show my screen once? I'm not able to understand what I have to do.
Now see.
Ma'am, for me,
Tarun, tell me clearly what you want to see again.
no, ma'am. I want to say that
Yes.
the function set dice pattern is one block is there, no, ma'am.
Yes, this is a block. There is block, nothing. This function set dice pattern.
The array of
Yeah.
button is not fitting to function button, ma'am. Function set dice button.
Here they will not write array, beta. Array is nothing but a list of values, right? So what they have written, set list to these values. This is array. This is array. See, here they will written array of. Array they will not write. Array is like you are storing a value in array.
No remote account.
It's a list. Now also you have doubt. If you have doubt, just ask me. I'll clear. What
No, ma'am.
array should, you are saying array should be written here
No, ma'am. One block is set.
in block one. Yes. Then yes. Then
One block I'm missing, but I'm adding it, ma'am. Which one?
you are doing programming.
Yes, ma'am. Just now I forgot it, so again I'm doing.
I'll send you this video. You can do it later. First, see here what I'm doing.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay.
I'll send you this reference video so you can see again and you can do your programming.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
I'll give you time. In last, I'll give you time. You can ask me any doubt. Okay. I'll show you again programming also. So here you see now. What?
Here down problems one is present.
That is nothing but it's not for us. Leave it. See now, we have created two functions, set dice pattern and roll dice. Okay, this is the first function, set dice pattern. Now list of images. Same thing we have done in blocks one, right? We have created list of array. After that, after you'll go down, same thing they are doing here. Okay, image is a class name. Okay. Now the second one is, this is a on shake. On shake. Input dot on gesture. Gesture means nothing but shake button. Gesture dot shake. Okay. Function is roll dice. Okay. Here they have ended this program, right? The first block is C. Here it started the first function and here it ended with flower was, right? And one more thing, if you're like how many paras you are owning now, these many paras you have to off it. See, here they have what they have done. The first para, right? The second para. Here they have closed the first para, and then they have again on it. Here they close it. Here they again on it, close, on, close, on, close. Means this particular image one is done here. Okay. On, off, and this one was upper now. This one also closed, and this flower was closed. Means this program is done. Here it's ended. The second one start here. This is a on shake one. Input dot on gesture, gesture dot shake. Function is roll dice. See, you can see here they on the flower was. See, function is roll dice, closed. Okay, this one is this one, and then the second function, throw the dice, that is roll dice. List of 1 to 6. The range is 1 to 6. 2 will not write. We will use comma for 2 here. 1, 6. Show image. We have kept it offset, right? See, we have kept this. See, function roll dice, show image, list, get value, pick random 1 to 6, range is 1 to 6 at offset 0. Okay, see now. See, function roll dice, the range is 1 to 6, show image, offset and 0. Okay, now this is a on start. On start, what we have done? Set dice pattern, roll dice. What we have done here? We have kept two functions in on start, right? See now. In on start, set dice pattern, call roll dice. Done? Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubt now?
No, ma'am.
You can ask me now, because after that I'll give you program and I'll ask you also. Anyone?
No, ma'am.
Anyone is having any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, once can you explain on start, call, roll dice, ma'am?
Okay. On start, call roll dice. Okay. See, again from starting I'll explain you. See, we are doing dice programming. In dice programming, you have two tasks. Means you have to create two functions. The first one is you have to give the 6 values, and then you have to get those 6 values on your dice randomly, that is. So first we will create function set dice pattern. In that we will keep our 6 values. That is our 6 images. What we want to get on our screen. It's nothing but we kept in array. In array you can keep like easily. If you can do like this also, like you can take show lets and you can keep, but that will not give you the random numbers. It will give you continuously 1, 2. You can keep like this. In function set dice pattern, show lets 1, then pause for 2 seconds. Show lets 2, then pause for 3 seconds. Then, but it will not give you the random number. So we will use this array, and we kept all our 6 values in array. List of array. Okay. Set list to array of these 6 values. After that, we will create a second function, that is a roll dice. Nothing but throw dice. We are going to now throw the dice, and then we will get the values. So we took a roll dice function. In that we created list of random value 1 to 6. That is nothing but those 6 images. So that's why we kept here show image list get value at pick random 1 to 6. Those 6 values it will give you randomly in image pattern, not in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pattern, in image pattern. Okay. After that, now we want to run our program on screen. So what we will do? First, we will on the chip. Like you will, when you will press the button, then it should start, right? See, if you are owning your laptop, all the function will start running, right? All the function, like internal process will be started. Internal process means inside the process what they are going to do, like Chrome will start, everything will start. But you're not owning Chrome, right now. When you are starting your laptop, just now you'll not open Chrome, right? Then you will go to Chrome and then you will perform. So this is nothing but on start. On start means it will just on that chip and it will tell like this two functions you have to perform now. It will these two functions will store in this chip. These two patterns, these two functions will store in this chip. And when you click on shake button, then only it will give you the random value. The simple thing is what you have done is to do the main programming the main program our is two function, set dice pattern and roll dice. This on start and on shake is for owning our program. Understood? Our main program is set dice pattern and roll dice. Setting the values and getting the values. That's it. This on start and on shake we kept for on showing our screen. Okay. What we have done, we see full program you can't keep here, right? And full program you can't keep here, right? So because I'll tell you, see, if you want to keep this one here, this will not fit in this one. Shapes are different now. You have use scratch. You can't keep any block anywhere, right? You have to see the shape also. So you can't keep this full function here, and you can't show image you can keep, but this function you can't keep here.
Ma'am,
So,
there's no need of scratch programming, ma'am.
what?
Ma'am, there is no need of scratch app, ma'am.
No. Who said you are going to use scratch? We are going to use first microbit, then Mindstorm. Then we'll come to third one.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. So what we are doing here, we are calling this same function here and this same function here. Same function, right? Roll dice and set dice pattern. Calling means we are telling them to perform here in on start block. This full function set dice pattern we are keeping here, and this roll dice function we are keeping here called roll dice. That's it. And in on shake we are calling roll dice. It will roll the dice. Understood now? Now anyone is having any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Anyone? You can ask me. No problem. There is. I'll explain again.
No, ma'am.
I want answer from everyone. Starting Uday. Uday.
Yes, ma'am.
Doubt?
What, ma'am?
Doubt you have in this programming? They are not able to tell I think. Okay. So, but now what you have to do, what is your work? First you have to do like this. First you have to do in block 1 and then you have to move to JavaScript and you have to learn Java. Okay. JavaScript. And then you have to try alone in JavaScript. First you have to write in JavaScript, then you have to do in block.
Ma'am, we can use Python also.
Python we will learn later. First you learn Java only, then we'll come to Python. Python is easy only, but it's not like first you have to learn Java, then only you can learn Python. Okay? It will be easy for you. In Java, you'll like functions array, you will learn this thing now, then Python will be easy for you. Okay? If anyone is having any doubt, you can ask me. and this program you have to do, and you have to send me the video of your program. Okay? How many
Ma'am,
members are there?
one doubt, ma'am.
14 members are there, right? 14 video in
Ma'am,
group. Yes.
ma'am, how can we screen record on the laptop, ma'am?
Screen recording is there on laptop also.
How, ma'am?
Or else you can take screenshot. Screenshot, you know how to take
Yes, ma'am.
screenshot
Yes, ma'am.
and send.
Okay, ma'am.
If better if you'll make video explaining. You are explaining the program and you are
How
making.
to how to know
I'm
how
not
to
telling you
do
to
screen
make
recording,
only.
ma'am?
I'm not telling only to screen the record. You should explain and you should do the programming.
Okay, ma'am, I'll do, ma'am. But we have to record the screen also, no, ma'am.
So you can use a phone now. Explain
Ma'am, in
and
the phone, it's taking a lot of storage, ma'am.
making a video.
We can do video, ma'am, but it's taking a lot of storage in phone, ma'am, to download the app.
I'm not telling you to download the app in phone. Do on laptop only and make a video from phone. I'll send you one video reference. Make like that.
Okay, ma'am.
Or else we can search in the YouTube, no? You'll be having a lot of recording videos, like how to record a video on YouTube. You'll be having some softwares, you can download them. Search in the
Okay,
YouTube,
sir.
you'll get them, okay?
Okay, sir.